Hello guys, in today's video um, we will discuss about lines and angles. Content of the video are: what are adjacent angles, what is linear pair, what are vertical opposite angles. We will solve few questions based on lines and angles. Important notes on acute angles and obtuse angles as below. The sum of two acute angles uh, can never be supplementary. The sum of two obtuse angles can never be supplementary. Now we will discuss this one by one. So the first was what are as adjacent angle. Now you see the, let us suppose a line AB. AB is a line and there there is a point O. Now from O there are two more arms, or let it may be three more arms. So let us call it as points as line OC, OD and OF. Now we will see what are adjacent angles. So we are looking at adjacent angles. Now here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Four angles are formed. We can name is at angle BOC, or in short let it be 1. Angle COD let it be 2. Angle DOF let it be 3. And angle FOA let it be 4. Then we can say that adjacent angles are those angles are those angles which has common arm, or we may say common sides. Now here look at angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 is formed by line OB and OC, and angle 2 is formed by OC and OD. So these angle 1 and angle 2 has common arm OC. Therefore angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2, or we may say angle 2 is adjacent to angle 1. Why? Because they have the common arm OC. Similarly, angle 2 is adjacent to angle 3. Angle 2 is adjacent to angle 3. And why? Because angle 2 and angle 3 has common arm OD. Having common arm OD. Similarly, angle 3 is adjacent to angle 4. Because why? Because they having the common arm OF. Now we'll come to linear pair. What is linear pair? Suppose there is a line AB and suppose there is a point O in the line AB. The point O can be anywhere in the line AB, lies on AB. Now let us draw a line from O to OC. Now here two angles are formed. One angle is this and one angle is this. So, but the sum of these two angles are 180 degree and they are adjacent to each other. So they are called linear pair. The topic was linear pair. If two angles are adjacent to each other and they are on a straight line and their sum is equal to 180 degree, therefore we can say that it is a linear pair. So angle BOC and angle AOC are linear pair. And linear pair has sum of 180 degree. I had already told that on a straight line when angle is formed, that angle is equal to 180 degree. So here the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. In short, we can, if we write this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, these angle 1 and 2 are linear pair and their sum is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now we will see what are vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. We will discuss what vertical opposite angles. When we draw two straight line intersecting each other, suppose AB is a straight line, AB, and in two lines CD intersecting each other here, anywhere, there is CD, C, and this is D. Both lines are intersecting, suppose at point O. Then the vertical opposite angles means the vertical opposite angle or C, and this line is AB and this line is CD. Then the vertical opposite angle AOD, its vertical opposite angle is COB, and both the angles will be equal. So it is an important result that if AB and CD are straight line, intersecting at point O, then angle AOD will be equal to angle BOD, and both are vertical opposite angles, so vertical opposite angles are equal. Similarly, this angle will be equal to this angle, both are vertically opposite. So and we can write, and angle AOC will be equal to angle BO AOD was equal to BOC. Here it will be BOC. AOD is equal to BOC. And here it will be angle AOC will be equal to angle BOD. Here it will be D. So this angle will be equal to this angle, and this angle will be equal to this angle when AB and CD are the straight line intersecting at point O. But we cannot say that this angle is equal to this angle. Some of these two angles will be 180 degree and some of these two angles will be 180 degree. But this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. This is the vertical opposite angles. Now we'll solve few questions based on lines and angles. Uh, so first question is, find the value of x in the below given figure. Now a solution is, we have to prove that solution, or you may write answer. Angle x plus angle 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Both are linear pair, as I had explained. Uh, you may write here, since they are linear pair, or you may also write AB is a straight line, AB, or you also write AB is a straight line and point O lies on it. So these are the two reasons I have given. Both are linear pair, or AB is a straight line and point O lies on it. From simple equation we get angle X is equal to plus 70 will go to the right hand side and it will become minus. So 180 degree minus 70 degree, this will be equal to 110 degree. Therefore we got the answer, angle X is equal to 110 degree. Now we will solve another question. Question number 2. Here we have to find the value of x in the given figure. So we will write answer or solution. Answer: 60 degree plus angle x plus 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because we will write the reason, since AB is a straight line simply, then from simple equation we get angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 75 degree. So this will be equal to, when we subtract these two, we get 120 degree and minus 75 degree. So this will be equal to 10 minus 5, 5, 3, 1. 5, 5, 10, 1, uh, 10 10 minus 5 5. Yeah, here it will be 1 7 8 9 10 11. Here it will be 4. So answer is angle X is equal to 145 145 120 minus 75. Sorry. 120 minus 175. Sorry, 75 only. So that will be X will be 45 degree. This is the answer. Now we will see question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 is we have to find the value of X as you can see on the screen. So here both are linear pair. So their sum would be answer 3. Answer 3. Both are linear pair. Therefore their sum will be equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. Now we will open the bracket 2x minus 10 degree plus, so here sign will be same because outside the bracket it is plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now these are two variables, so we will add them. 2x plus 3x will become 5x is equal to 180 degree minus 10 degree. When it will go to the right hand side, it will become plus 10 degree, and plus 20 degree will become minus 20 degree. So this will become, this implies 5x will be 190 degree minus 20 degree. This implies 5x will be equal to 170 degree. This implies x is equal to uh, 170 degree by 5 degree. So it will be equal to 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 16 70, 5 4s are 24, 34 degree. Now we can also find 2x minus 10 what it is. Therefore we had to find the value of x, so but we will find this angle. What is this angle? So therefore 2x minus 10 degree will be equal to 2 into 34 degree minus 10 degree. This will be equal to 68 degree minus 10 degree. This will be equal to 58 degree. Now we will obtain 3x plus 20. Therefore 3x plus 20 degree, this will become 3 into 34 plus 20 degree. This will become 102 degree plus 20 degree. This will be equal to 122 degree. Now to check it, that the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So let us check. First this was 58 degree and this was 122 degree. When we add, we get 8 to the 10, 8 to 10, 7 8 180 degree. So our answer is correct. So x is equal to 34 degree is the answer. Now we will solve question number 5. In question number 5, one angle is given 42 degree. Let us suppose this is, first we will find, so given, what is given? Given is angle AOC is equal to 42 degree. Now we know that we have learned that the vertical opposite angles are equal. Therefore, uh, angle BOD will also be equal to 42 degree. Now the sum of now angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because AB is a straight line. We can also say that AOD and BOD are linear pair. Anyway, now BOD is 42 degree. Just now we have seen that vertical opposite angles are equal. Therefore, in this equation we will write angle AOD plus BOD is 42 degree. 42 degree is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle AOD is equal to 180 degree minus 42 degree. This will be equal to 138 degree. So we have got that this angle is 138 degree. Now this angle is 138 degree, then the vertical opposite angles will be equal. So this angle will be also be equal to 138 degree. Therefore, angle COB will also be equal to 138 degree. Now I left a question to you. I'm leaving a question to you. You yourself practically find that the sum of two acute angles can never be supplementary. And take any two acute angle and see that see that whether they are supplementary or not. Again, take any two obtuse angle. I have told you that acute angle is less than 90 degree. So take any two angle less than 90 degree, any of the two angle less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree, you will get that they cannot be supplementary. It means their sum cannot be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, they will the sum of two acute angle will always be less than 180 degree. Similarly, the sum of two obtuse angle, take any two obtuse angle. Obtuse angles are angles greater than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So when you will add two obtuse angles, you will never get supplementary. It is 180 degree. They will always be more than 180 degree. So this is a task I am giving to you. You yourself find it that whether I am correct or not. Now we'll come to the last question. It is given that the measure of one angle is 125 degree. Find these supplementary angles. So supplementary angle is 180 degree. Therefore, let the supplement angle is equal to x. Therefore, x plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. This implies x is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. You will get this implies x is equal to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 55 degree. So this is your answer. The measure of its supplementary angle will be 55 degree. Now we will come to this question. Measure of one angle is 35 degree. Find its complementary angle. So complementary angles are 90 degree. Let the complement angle is equal to x. Therefore, x plus 35 degree is equal to 90 degree. This implies x is equal to 90 degree minus 35 degree. This is equal to 5 and 55 degree. So x is equal, here also x is equal to 55 degree is the answer. Because let us check, when we add 55 degree with 35 degree, we'll get 90 degree. And here also we can check 125 degree plus 55 degree, 180 degree. So both our answers are correct. Thank you guys. My next video will also be on lines and angles with some complex questions and their solutions. Thank you.